Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to cut hairs for the Character Creator for the CC4. Now you can see the Camilla. The original hair is quite long. Then I already cut Camilla's hair to become shorter. So how to cut the hair for the CC4 avatar? So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. First, in Character Creator 4, I'm going to call out Camilla under the cloth. This is the original Camilla. I don't save this. Replace all. Right, now you can see this is the CC4 Camilla, and I'm going to cut her hair. To cut her hair, I'm going to use the blender. So the first, what I'm going to do is just click File, Export, FBX, Cloth Character. As the blender, target to preset, I choose blender. Just export the mesh is enough. I click Export. On my desktop, I'm going to create a new folder, Camilla. File name this Camilla. I click Save. Now it is going to export as FBX. And here. Once you already get the FBX file, the next step is just import it into the Blender. So this is Blender 3.6. Press A to delete everything. Then click File, Import FBX. From here, I copy the destination location. Then click here, Ctrl V and press Enter. Import Camilla into Blender. Next, turn on the texture here. And then fix the material of the hair. So now make sure click the hair mesh and go to the material under the hair transparency. The blend mode, I choose the alpha hash. Then I'm going to cut her hair. The first step, choose the mesh. Then click here, -Y, so that you can view it in the YZ, the XZ plane, like this. Then, to cut the hair, I click the wireframe, then choose the edit modes. Then, I just select the bottom, then right click, I press delete button, then choose faces to delete the faces. Now you can see the hair already get cut. Then I turn on the texture again and back to the object mode. Now you can see her hairstyle already cut. Next, we are going to import this into the Character Creator 4, but before that, we have to export the material and the weight map. Double click the hairstyle, I press Q to select it. Then, now you can see once I already selected, it have two materials. We are going to export the materials first. The first one is the scalp. Always remember the scalp. Remember this is PBR. Click here, save all the material texture. On the desktop, I create a new folder. This is the scalp material. Double enter, then click select folder. Then it is going to export the materials. Just have a look. These are the materials. Next, we are going to do the same for the side part, wavy, the hair. Click Save all the material. On the desktop, create a new folder. Name this as hair material. Then click select folder. Next, we are going to export the physics weight map. I click here, weight map. Now you have two. The only weight map is for the hair side parts, wavy. For this, click save. I'm going to save it on the desktop. I create a new folder. Name this as weight map. The file name this as Camilla weight map. Then I click save. Then close. Now it's the time to delete the original hairstyle. I double click. I press Q to double click. Then once it's selected already, check the scene. The hairstyle, this one. Press delete button to delete it. And just now in Blender, we are going to export as FBX. Then I click File, Export FBX. Then choose the selected object because of only the hairstyle is get selected. The path mode I choose copy. Then here, activate it. On my desktop, I right click to create a new folder. Name this folder as haircut. Then the FBX, I'm going to name this as Camilla haircut. Export the FBX. Then have a check under the haircuts. The Camilla's haircut is already here. Next, we can import it into the Character Creator 4, but you need to just go to the content, go to the emotions. Then choose the pose. Choose the pose from here, calibration. Make sure you use the T-pose so that everything will in the correct pose. Then click Create Accessory. From the desktop, the haircut. Import the Camilla haircut. Then, now you can see the hair mesh already imported. The first step, just click here. Then click Create Hair, Brows, Beards. Then reset the facial expression to default for a better result. Choose yes. Then choose Face All. Click Apply. Next step, close this, go to the material. The first is the sculpt. Click here, load all the material from my desktop. Just now I already saved the sculpt material. Double click it, select the folder. The shader type, choose PBR because the original one is the PBR. Then next is the side part wavy. Click here, load all the material texture. Choose the haircuts under the desktop. Select the folder. Wait. Load all the material texture. Just now is the hair material. Double click, select the folder. Now you can see all of the hair already recovered. Just now, for this, the PBR traditional, digital human hair. You can try it one by one. This is the scalp. Right, once you're done already, then you can save it as a new hairstyle, but before that, you have to set the physics, activate the physics. But now you cannot see just because of it not yet become a proper hairstyle. I try to activate the physics. Multiple materials, you have to select a material first. I choose this because of this is the hair, not the scalp. Choose activate the physics. Okay. Then this weight map just opens and choose the Camilla weight map. Alright, not this. We need the hair transparency side parts. Open the weight map. Done. Once done already, you can close it. Everything already done properly. For this, the shader should be digital human hair. Then you can see now everything already recover, and the Camilla's original hair now already get a cut. Everything already gets shorter. From the long hair to become short hair. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to cut the hair for Character Creator 4 3D avatar. This is the easiest way. Just within a few minutes, you can cut the hairstyle and recover everything, included the weight maps and the physics. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you!